Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Vershi podcast. So, we all want that healthy, glowing skin, right?
Of course. Who doesn't?
Right. And we're always hearing about cleansers and serums and moisturizers. But I feel like toners are kind of the unsung heroes of skincare.
Yeah, I agree. They definitely don't always get the attention they deserve.
That's why today we're going to talk all about toners. And specifically, we're going to take a closer look at Vershi's antioxidant toner and how it can totally transform your skincare routine.
I'm excited to dive into this one. Toners can make a huge difference.
Yeah, so let's start with the basics. What exactly does a toner do?
Okay, so basically, cleansing your face is obviously super important, but it can actually mess with your skin's natural pH balance a little bit.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah, and that's where a toner comes in. It basically helps to restore that balance and get your skin back to its happy place.
So it's like hitting the reset button after you cleanse.
Exactly. And when your skin's pH is balanced, it can better absorb all the good stuff from your serums and moisturizers.
Makes sense.
Mm.
So tell me about this Vershi antioxidant toner. What makes it stand out?
Well, for one thing, it's packed with antioxidants.
Ooh, antioxidants. Everyone loves antioxidants.
Right. And one of the key ingredients is tea leaf extract.
Okay, so not just for drinking anymore.
Nope. Tea leaf extract, especially from the Camellia sinensis flower, is amazing for your skin. It's full of these things called bioactive compounds.
Bioactive compounds.
Yeah, they're like these little warriors that help protect your skin from damage.
Damage from what?
Things like pollution, sun exposure, all those things that can lead to premature aging.
Ah, so they fight off free radicals.
Exactly. And this toner also has a special blend of plant extracts that helps to minimize pores.
Ooh, tell me more about that. I think we all want smaller looking pores.
Definitely. This blend gently exfoliates and helps control oil production, which can make pores less noticeable.
Sounds like a dream.
Hmm.
But what about sensitive skin? Is this toner gentle enough for everyone?
Absolutely. That's another thing that's great about it. It's formulated without any harsh chemicals or fragrances.
So no artificial colors or fragrances?
It's also vegan, paraben-free, and cruelty-free.
Love that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sold. Walk me through how to use it.
Easy peasy. After you cleanse your face, just spritz the toner onto your skin.
Just spray it on.
Yeah. You can use a cotton pad if you want, but I just like to spray it directly onto my face and neck.
Okay, cool. And then just let it air dry.
You can. Or you can gently pat it into your skin. It absorbs really quickly either way.
Awesome. Now, I've got to ask about one ingredient I'm seeing everywhere these days. Hyaluronic acid. What's the deal with that?
Hyaluronic acid is like a moisture magnet. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water.
Whoa, seriously. 1,000 times. That's wild.
I know, right? And that means it's amazing for keeping your skin hydrated and plump.
So it's basically like giving your skin a big drink of water.
Exactly, and that's why it's such a popular ingredient in skincare products.
Well, besides those star ingredients, what else is in this toner?
Let's see. So we've got propylene glycol and glycerin. Those also help with hydration. And then there's xylitol.
Xylitol, like the sweetener.
Yep, same one. But in skincare, it acts as a humectant and can help soothe and condition the skin.
Huh, interesting. I'm learning so much about skincare ingredients today.
Me too. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, the pore minimizing blend also has citrus limonum extract, which brightens skin, and Bambusa tuldoides Monroe stem extract.
Say that 5 times fast. What does that one do?
Haha, right. It's a mouthful. But it's rich in silica, which helps to strengthen your skin.
Wow, so many good things packed into one little bottle.
It really is. Vershi did a great job with this one.
I'm definitely adding this to my skincare routine.
You won't regret it. It's all about giving your skin the love it deserves.
Couldn't agree more. Well, I think we've covered just about everything there is to know about Vershi's antioxidant toner.
I think so. It's a game changer.
It really seems like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Vershi podcast for more skincare tips and tricks.